Hello, this is Enwe Lupenga Chirengo again, Aka Gezalite. Geographically, distance doesn't permit us to communicate face to face, but using this type of communication. Zimbabweans, I need to appreciate and to thank South Africans for what they did. It was right. We've been here for a very long time. The truth shall set us free. Now this is the time that every Zimbabwean must stand up and go and face Mnangagwa face to face. It's better to be killed right now than to be killed later. If you want freedom, this is the time for us to free ourselves. I'm alone, I'm an orphan, I'm ready to sacrifice myself for Zimbabwe, for you guys to be free. ZANU-PF has been threatening us with prison death. Therefore now, zvinogona kunge zvakaramba last year. But this year, Mnangagwa, on the 31st, watch out, wait and see. If you are good at killing, okay, the world is watching. I will be live on TikTok. I will be there to say, Mnangagwa, we are tired of your system. We need a fresh start, a new dawn, a new beginning. We need to give God a chance. We need to give Africa a chance. We need to unite, but without you. You need to pay back the money. You need to pay back all the billions that you have been stealing. You need to pay back all the things that you were looting. You and Wikino Chivayo, Tagwire, and all the criminals that are surrounding you. We are targeting them. You are safe, Mr. President. Don't threaten us because we are only armored. We are only equipped with the word of God. And fear is a demon. Therefore, we don't fear Falcon. We don't fear you. You are mere dust, Mr. Nebuchadnezzar. Let us be free now, or you have yourself to deal with the consequences that are going to follow you. We are Zimbabweans, and the time is now. So we are saying, please exit in peace or in pieces. In which way you are going to choose, we will give it to you, Mr. President. You give us lemons, we made lemonade. You give us education. Now we are going to tell you with wisdom, together with the word of God. We don't fear you, Mr. Nebuchadnezzar. We fear God, because God can destroy both the body and the spirit. But even if you kill me, darling, the spirit of the Ubuntu will forever live within me. Remember, Mandela was ready to die. Mugabe was, as well as you and all other liberation fighters. We've got Mr. Hakutangwe Trufaro Pamacheke. He's laying sick, and we don't recognize them. They are our heroes. Amanda, Zimbabwe, Simuka, Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, this is the time, Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe and Aberek, but I'm ready to die for you. Maybe Mnangagwa will be happy. God bless you, Zimbabwe. 31 tenge tiriko. Tishidodonya ZANU-PF. Masoja, mapurisa, CIOD. Ne one with ZANU-PF. Mukada woga. Tichakupa a good war. Don't worry.